So students, we are here today to start with our new topic, that is modals. Okay. I just told you before some time that modals or auxiliary verbs or helping verbs, they are actually all together one, but they're because of their functions, okay, because of their functions, we have categorized them. There in helping verbs, there are primary auxiliary verbs or primary helping verbs, as we may say. Primary auxiliary verbs, they are like do, does, did, was, am, were, has, have, had. Okay, these are called the primary auxiliary verbs, as they are used there to identify the tense.
So what is meant by auxiliary?
Same, modals or helping verb. Okay, that is it, it is called auxiliary. See, it is written. Can you see here?
Yes, sir.
So verb that is used to express ability. Now we are here to learn about modals. I will not tell you about these helping verbs right now, but whatever the list is being given over here, we will discuss for these models here. Got it? So these are used to show the ability, possibility, permission, or obligation. Okay, obliged in the sense which is very compulsory or must to do. Have you got? That is called obligation. What do we call it? Obligation.
Obligation.
So we can use these modal verbs, also called modals of deduction, speculation, or certainty. There are some models which can be used to express these things as well. When we want to make a guess about something, we choose the verb depending on how sure we are. Whenever we want to use these models, so we know that what kind of action is to be expressed. Understood? What kind of action is to be expressed. So what is written here? Two of my friends can play guitar. So what does it show?
It shows ability.
Ability. What does it show? Ability.
Ability.
Okay. Means they have that ability. So if we see the list of models.
Your voice is blurred.
Again blur. There may be a problem. I think.
There in middle it's breaking.
Sir, in middle it's breaking.
Okay.
No, sir, it's crystal clear. You can continue.
Actually, what there also may be a problem there in your network. Better please check it. Okay. See, so we'll see about can, could, may, might, will, would, shall, should, ought to, must, need. Okay. Even though some models are not given here, like can or could, it is written. So other helping verb or modal verb can be like could have, might have, okay, would have, should have. These are also the helping verbs. Okay, what are these helping verbs? That also I will be telling you separately. Okay, must have. Okay, need it is given. Here one is not given, like dare is not given. Okay, so these helping verbs are also to be discussed here in this lesson. Okay, so what is the structure? Now the structure is given in this form. See here. Subject, then what is written in middle? Modal it is. And what is written after it? Verb. Okay.
Verb.
One important thing that I want to tell you here. See, can you see this list? Huh?
Yes.
Okay. So whenever you are using all these modal verbs from here, so they will carry, or there would be With these models, we use main verb first form only. This is very important thing that you have to keep in mind. Which form do we use with these models? First form only. For example, that is why it is written only verb. For example, I can lift this box. I can lift this box. So lift is main verb first form. Did you get it? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Am I audible to you all?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Listen, wait. Rishita, you're attending the class for the first time?
Yes, sir. I mold only to the Chanakya tutorials, but I didn't get your ID to join, so I joined today, sir.
Oh, welcome to the class then.
Thank you, sir.
Shritan is there? Ritvik, Reddy, Bhargav,
Yes, sir, I'm there.
Varshita,
Yes, sir, I'm here.
not
Yes, sir,
Varshit. That is
Yes, sir, what,
Varshita is written Varshita.
Yes, sir, what, sir?
Nothing. Just I wanted to know if you are there or not. Varshit is there. Varshita is something there written again. Some
So Varshita is me.
Varshita. Please turn on your video.
Yeah, sure.
Can't?
So can you see me?
Who are you?
Varshita.
Where are you? Yeah, I can see now. With the specs, no? Okay.
Hi, yes, sir.
Okay. I can see now. Oh, I said I can see now, so she disappeared.
No,
Let
sir.
it, let it be, no matter. So whenever you are using these models, so these models actually are preceded by the first form of the main verb. Are you getting Varshit? Rishita?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Be attentive, huh? Rishita, where are you looking there? You
Sir,
just,
I'm writing the models.
oh, no need to write. I'll be sharing. Don't worry. Tell Varshit, do I share or not?
Yes,
Till
sir. I
now,
will share after completion.
after completion, I'll be sharing. Oh, yesterday I did not keep my promise. I will post today, okay, in the Wise app. So, for example, Mary could play the piano. See, even you are using can or could, doesn't matter. It doesn't matter what are you using, but it will carry only main verb first form. Are you getting the point? Now, see, what is the difference between can and could? Both can tell about the ability. Varshit, can you tell, differentiate? What is
Sir,
the
what, sir? Between
huh,
can and could, sir?
can?
Sir,
Can
we
and could.
I think we can use it in a simple present tense, sir, and could we can use in past tense.
You should not say like simple present tense, but for the for showing the ability in present.
Yes, sir. But
The-
showing
For
ability.
showing the ability in present, we
Yes,
use can.
can.
I'm writing here
Yes.
to show the ability in present. Now, could is the past form of can.
Can.
But again, it is used to show the ability in past. Where?
Yes, sir.
In
Past.
past. Even it is used for what? It is used uh, to just
Tell
say
what one
something,
could.
to say something or ask something in a polite way. To say
Yes, sir.
Sir,
something
as a request.
as a request. Means suppose I need your help, so I would say, could you please help me? I
Yes.
can use can also. Can
Yes.
you
Yes, sir.
help me please? This is also
Correct.
request. But if you're writing could you please help me?
నేను కొట్టేయాలి ఇంకా 16 కొట్టాను కదా తర్వాత ఇంకెంత కొట్టారు
I did not get what ma'am said. In which language she spoke, I could not understand. Who was that?
So it's
Hmm?
it's Bhargav Ram. So
Bhargav.
yes.
Sir,
Bhargav?
it's Telugu, sir.
Hey, Bhargav. Is there Bhargav or is he absent there? Just join the
Sir,
class
he's
and
there,
left.
sir. He's there.
Yes, sir.
No, I think he has joined the class and he left from there, I think.
No, sir, he's there, sir.
No,
That
sir,
gate
he's
is
Why
there.
why is he
icon.
not speaking then? Why is he not responding then? Shiva Pranav, who is this? Shiva Pranav Angala. What's your name? Shiva or Pranav? What is there?
Pranav, Shiva Pranav, sir.
Huh? Shiva
Shiva
Pranav.
Pranav.
Okay. It's whole your name?
Sir?
Whole is your name there or your parent name is also there?
Your voice is breaking.
Your
Yes,
name.
sir, your voice is breaking.
Okay. Bhargav.
So, my name is Shiva Pranav.
Okay. Bhargav. Are you there?
Yes, sir, I'm there. Yes, sir, yes, sir.
So please respond the class. Okay.
Sir, small mic problem, sir. If
So,
I also,
Mary could play the piano. Can you use this sentence with can also or may also? So you will get actually.
Sir, Mary can play the piano.
Okay. Even Mary may play the piano, but may is not perfect model for that sentence because may is not showing the ability. May just shows the possibility. Okay.
Sir, so it will be could.
That is written already. Mary could play the piano. See the structure here. I or we, go to slip, complement, main verb. Must go, can go, should go, may go, will go. Okay. This is all about modal verbs. You may use any subject with these models, or these models can be used with any subject. There is no change in them. Whether you are using can with they or you are using can with it will never change its forms. Okay. Are you getting?
Yes, sir.
Are you getting better? Huh?
Yes, sir.
sir.
Okay. One second, huh? One second. One second. I'm there only. Okay. So what did I tell you right now? The models can be used with any subject. They would not change their forms. Even the main verb would not be changed. For example, I'm writing here one thing like they must eat some food. Are you getting? Which subject did I use here? Which subject? Hello? Am I audible? Am I audible there?
Yes, sir.
Am I audible there?
Yes, sir.
The screen is visible.
No, sir.
Yes, sir, and your voice is somewhat blurred.
Sir, I think you are joining with two devices.
No. Is it visible there?
Sir, your voice is blurred, sir.
Is it visible there?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir, it's visible.
Okay.
Sir, you have joined with 2 devices, sir.
Yes, sir.
And
Now,
it's somewhat doing.
Yeah, sir, you don't do this.
Sir, you have joined with 2 devices.
no, but I
Sir.
can see here I have only one device.
Sir,
No,
no,
sir,
sir, but it's showing.
and also it is showing like a
You can 2 device.
one
Sir,
of the devices.
exact the same name and bun. The one which you are speaking right now, it is showing unmuted, and the other one it is showing muted, sir.
One second, now 1 second. Let me check.
Okay, sir.
Sir, and it's showing the red symbol.
Sir,
Yes, I am there. Don't
but
worry.
still it is showing 2 devices.
Let it be, no matter. Okay. But screen is visible, no?
Yes, the screen is
Screen is visible only, sir. But,
Yes, sir.
So read here. What did I write here? I was telling you that whether whatever the subject you are using with whatever the model verb, it doesn't matter. It will not change the form of the main verb. Okay. And even the complement. Did you get it?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So I have written here they, I have written here must eat some food. Suppose I'm using this must with you. So what will be there? You must eat some food. You must eat some food. Did you get it? Hello?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So only the subject is changed, and due to this, the whole sentence is not changed. Okay, means there is no impact upon the rest of the sentence of any subject. Are you getting?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now important point is given here. Modal verbs do not add s or es or ies to the third person singular. Whenever the person is singular and that too in third. So what is the third person singular subject? He, she, it.
He, she,
And anybody's name.
name.
That is also the third person singular number. Did you get it? Okay. So they never, means suppose I have to write here Ram should come on time. So it would not add here S or ES. It would not like Ram should come on time. Okay, that will go wrong. Means models, they do not add S, ES or IES at their end. Okay, for example, can you read this example?
He can swim.
He can swim. He can
And what is
swim.
incorrected here? Incorrect
He
sentence.
can't swim.
He can swim. So that is wrong.
Yes, sir.
Okay, that is wrong. Here, the another rule is modal verbs don't need auxiliaries to form negative and interrogative. Okay, don't need auxiliaries. Modal verbs, they do not use auxiliary. Auxiliaries in the sense like primary auxiliaries: do, does, did, have, has, okay, was, were, had. These primary auxiliaries are not needed by what? By modals to make the negative and interrogative. So directly you may make the negative and interrogative of this. She shouldn't stay. What is the explanatory form of this sentence? Like she should not stay. And what is the question there? Tanvi? What is the question given here? Like Tanvi? Tanvi has left the class or what? I don't like such students whose name is taken and they left, means they leave the class. Is there something that I would do any means or I will just scold at you if you are not answering me? That is not the matter, okay? Are you getting? If you are going wrong, so I'll correct you. Got it? Who was she? Tanvi,
Yes,
na?
sir. Yes, sir. Tanvi.
Tanvi P, I think. Okay.
Yes, sir. She responds in every class, sir.
But if she is not responding me, why?
Sir, she mostly responds in maths only.
Okay, she is very interested in maths. So, beta, I would like to tell you one thing in
Maths
life.
for every question she responds.
See, for everyone, this is my suggestion. Only maths is not needful for leading a life. Actually, there are a lot of things to learn, isn't it? Rishit, are you getting?
Yes, sir.
So don't look here and there. Just concentrate in the class. Okay, be concentrated. So they do not use any kind of primary auxiliaries like these. Okay, modal verbs do not have infinitives or ing forms. They do not have infinitives. In this, what is mean by infinitive? 2 plus main verb first form. That is called infinitive. For example, to go, to sleep, okay, to sit, okay, etc. These, whenever the verbs come with to, they are followed.
Your voice is blur.
They are preceded by the preposition to, so they are.
Your voice is blur.
Okay, listen to me very carefully and don't move your device from the place. Okay, are you getting? So they do not use to or ing form there. Modal verbs are followed by an infinitive without to. Infinitive without to in the sense, these verbs do not carry to with them. For example, I'm telling you just, this is the example. She must study. Is it written like she must to study? No, it is not written like, right? So that would be incorrect if it is coming with or it is written with to. So we should have gone the other day. See, whenever there is the combined helping verb, see there, should plus have, it is combined. So whenever there is have is used, so the third form of the main verb is used. Which form is used? Third form. He could play football in his youth. Generally, it is showing the ability in which tense?
Past tense.
Past tense or past time. Understood? Okay. Another modals in past. How can we use them? See, modal verb plus have plus past participle. Past participle means third form of the main verb. Main verb third form is called as past participle. I'm writing here. Main verb third form is called as past. What do we call it? Past participle.
Participle.
Okay.
Past participle.
Tanvi, why did you leave the class? As I called you, again she left.
Everything.
Maybe her internet problem, sir. He every time joins by phone only.
Okay. This is a note. Main verb third form is called as past participle. So when is it used with modal verb? Whenever we use have or have been. Okay. That with what? With modal verb. Huh? Whenever we, as I told you earlier here. See, did I tell this? This one?
Sir?
Yes.
Sir?
This is Tanvi, sir, and there is a lot of network issue here, sir. Actually, there's a power cut, sir. That's why the meeting will be left sometimes, sir.
Okay, okay, Tanvi. I can understand. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Screen class. Okay. So these modal verbs, whenever they are there with have or have been, that time they use third form of the main verb. Okay, like it must have been a difficult decision. It must have been. Whenever there is have, third form. What is the first form of be? Been, that is be. Okay, are you getting? Be forms. Be, been, and
Yes, sir.
being. Understood? These are the forms of be, but there are other forms as well of be. Be forms in the sense those primary auxiliary verbs. Those are the be forms. Okay, when we use them in the sentence, they should have invited her to their wedding. They should have invited. See, whenever there is it is means used with should, have is used, so the meaning of third form will be used. Means they add the past participle. What do they express? Actually, models can have more than one meaning depending on the situation. It is very, very important point. Okay, this is very important to be remembered. That models can have different meanings at different situations. Okay, so single concept models, which can be written like will, might, should, ought to, and had better. See, should and ought to are having same meaning. Huh?
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
Double concept models. What are double concept? Means these models can be used only once and with the one meaning only. But these models can be used in double sense, like may, must, would, shall, could, can. And these are the past models. I already told you, if any model is carrying have with it, so it will become the past model. Okay, which model? Past model. Means they are telling you about the past happening or past time. Did you get it? So let us understand, first of all, the single concept models, which are given one meaning only, or which are having one meaning. So will is used for what? Future concept.
Yes,
What is the example?
will
I
travel.
will I will be going to the market tomorrow.
I will be going, I did not ask you to write the future continuous tense.
Sir, Joe will be traveled to like America.
Where is it written be? Is it written be there?
Oh, no.
So why are you adding from your side?
Joe will
Will
travel
only
to
will.
For example, Ramesh will bring vegetable from the market. Okay, this is the simple sentence with the use of will, and it is referring the time in the future. Are you getting?
Yes.
Ramesh will travel to America.
Might, small probability, or it may be said as less probability.
Less probability.
Okay, I might
It
move
means
to
that
Canada
it
someday.
can happen or it cannot happen. Yes.
So less possibility, less probability is there, and that is why might this model is used for single use. Understood?
Sir, how can we identify a model, sir?
In this way, you can identify what I'm telling you, what I'm teaching you right now.
That only, right? Like how to.
Means is it for single concept or double concept or past, right?
Yes,
No,
sir.
not like that, sir. Not like that. For example, if we have a sentence, sir, in that sentence, how can we identify which word is my model?
It will, say for example,
Definitely, it will come immediately after the subject as the helping verbs.
Okay, sir.
Okay,
it's a
their
helping
place
verb,
will
like
be
of the subject.
here. It is written, na beta. See here. I told you. Yes, this structure. See there. Can you see this? Subject, model, and then verb.
Verb.
So it will come immediately after the.
Sir, so after the subject, so for example,
Huh?
1 minute, sir.
Done?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir, we
Single
can say
concept
after the
model we are
subject.
seeing here. Should. Recommendation. It is recommendation, or sometimes we may say it as the suggestion. Okay. You should go to the doctor. It is recommendation or a suggestion also, or an advice also. Okay. You should, if I suppose say, you should trim your hair. You should trim your hair. So this is a suggestion or recommendation. If your hair are long, so you may go there. Okay, you should go there. Sorry. Ought to, again the same formal recommendation. We ought to know about first aids. Means we should know. If you are using should instead of ought to, that will also be the correct sentence. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Had better. This is warning. It does not matter in which tense you are using this modal verb, had better. Okay? It is not affected by the tense. Whether it is present, whether it is past, whether it is future, doesn't matter. So had better sometimes means we want someone in the present only. So suppose you are in school, right? I'm telling you the situation. Are you getting my voice?
Yes, sir.
So you are in a school and there is a situation in the class that two people are fighting, means two students are fighting and they belong to different groups. Okay. Now you just intervene there and you are asking the another party that you had better leave from here. You had better leave from here. See, after better, we do not use to. Most of the people they use to. Like you had better to leave from here. No, no. After had better, we do not use to. Are you getting this?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So you had better leave from here. Otherwise, Soham will hit you. Okay. You had better leave from here. Otherwise, Soham will hit you.
Sir, your voice is blurred, sir.
Okay. So in this situation, you are warning someone that you
Sure.
must leave from here. Otherwise, someone will beat you and anything. Okay. So whenever
I had to.
you are in a situation like this, so you may use had better. Okay. So I had better study or I will fail the test. Understood?
Sir, it will be. It will come like I will be. Or I will had to study better, or I will fail the test.
What?
Sir, it will be I had to study better, or I will fail in the test like that.
No. I had better study. Means I'm telling you in Hindi. Are you able to understand Hindi?
Yes, sir. I know Hindi and Telugu.
No, sir.
See, whenever we speak in Hindi, like आपके लिए ये बेहतर होगा.
Okay, sir. Understood, sir. Understood.
Understood? Whenever we say something like in Hindi, आपके लिए ये बेहतर होगा. For that in English, we use had better.
Okay, sir.
Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So till this we have seen the models. Now it is time to leave. Thank you
sir.
very much
Bye,
for
sir. Have
coming
a
to
good-
class. And I am posting that tenses in the Wise app. You go through that, okay?
Okay.
Okay, so sure. Thank you.
Okay, thank
Sir,
you very
which
much.
state do you live, sir?
Huh?
Sir, which state do you live in?
In Maharashtra. Why?
Okay, sir. No, sir. I want to find out the languages and states where.
I can speak Hindi, Marathi, and English.
Okay, sir.
I even cannot speak your language. Even I cannot understand.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Well,
Means this office will be there instead of Chanakya tutorial.
okay. Huh. There is.
That beside means gully they will say right, sir, in Hindi.
Huh?
Means gully in Hindi.
We'll say in Telugu.
Okay
sir.
then. Thank you very much. Bye bye.